YouTube? It's Fat Dad Skates Bad, and welcome back to the channel. Tonight made it out skating. It was a great night, super fun night. I actually learned early grabs, which I'm super excited about. You'll see coming up. They're small, but my buddy Dan is actually getting them really good, and he taught me, so it was a great time. I also want to make an announcement. I got a new deck. It's a 10-inch old school Dogtown. Actually, I think it's upside down. Yep, it's fucking upside down. It's a Dogtown deck. It's called the Proud Bird. It's an awesome deck, old school shape, 10 inches at its widest point, but that tail is like perfect. That was the one thing that the Santa Cruz was killing me. Like the tail was just so steep, and this one's like nice and mellow, just the way I like it anyway. So yeah, anyways, learned how to early grab tonight, which you'll see in the video. Super pumped about that, and yeah, I guess that's it. Just stay tuned for some fun skating. It's just a really fun Wednesday night. Been pretty stressed out and crazy, and it was nice to just get out and breathe and be myself for once. So anyways, thanks guys, stay tuned, and take care of yourselves.